This 2023 Venture RV SportTrek Touring Edition STT312 VBH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Ardmore, Tennessee, 38449 and is offered for sale by Bankston Motorhomes of Ardmore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features a SLATE interior, sleeps 8, Slideout, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.